Buying your first car is one of the most exciting moments in life. But with so many choices, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Today, I'll show you 5 of the best first cars for young drivers that are safe, fun, and affordable. And trust me, number 1 is a total sleeper. Kicking things off, we have the Honda Civic, probably the most legendary first car ever. Why? It's reliable, fuel-efficient, and cheap to maintain. Plus, with a 1.8-liter engine, it's got enough power to be fun, but won't kill you on insurance costs. Best part, you can grab one for under $8,000. Stick to the non-SI models if you want cheaper insurance. At number 4, we've got the Mazda 3, one of the best handling economy cars ever made. If you love sharp steering, stylish looks, and great gas mileage, this is a no-brainer. Prices start around $7,000 to $12,000 depending on mileage. Next up, the Ford Focus, a surprisingly fun and cheap hatchback that's great for young drivers. It's got a comfortable ride, decent power, and a practical design. And if you want something sportier, the Focus ST is a great step up. You can find these for $6,000 to $10,000. If you want a bulletproof first car, look no further than the Toyota Corolla. It's one of the most fuel-efficient, long-lasting, and low-maintenance cars ever made. $10,000 gets you a great model that'll last over 200,000 miles. And finally, number 1, the Volkswagen GTI. This is hands down the best mix of fun, practicality, and affordability for young drivers. You get turbocharged power, great handling, and a premium interior, all for under $10,000. Prices start around $8,000 to $12,000, making it an insane deal. Tip: stick to stock models to avoid maintenance headaches. So there you have it, 5 of the best first cars for young drivers. Which one would you choose? Drop a comment below. Like and subscribe for more car advice, hidden gems, and performance reviews every week.